Samsung is back at it again, refining their entry-level QLED lineup with the Q60D, a budget-friendly 4K TV that brings some of Samsung's premium display tech to a more affordable price point. But just how well does it stack up against the competition? From its sleek design to its gaming capabilities, we're diving deep into every aspect of the Q60D to see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. For more information and updated price, check the link in the description box below. Now, let's start with the first thing you'll notice: the design. Samsung has always done a great job making their budget TVs look more expensive than they are, and the Q60D is no exception. It's got a sleek, ultra-slim profile that rivals some of Samsung's high-end models with an almost bezel-less display that keeps your focus on the screen. Around the back, the navy blue burnished finish adds a touch of premium appeal, something you don't often see in this price range. The included stand features height-adjustable feet, making it easy to slip a soundbar underneath. They feel a little on the cheaper side, but they get the job done, providing stable support for the TV. And then, there's the solar cell remote, Samsung's eco-friendly solution that scraps disposable batteries in favor of solar and USB-C charging. It's a nice touch and a step in the right direction for sustainability. Now let's talk about what really matters: the screen. The Q60D features a 4K QLED panel that uses quantum dots to enhance brightness and color accuracy. But what really sets it apart from standard LED TVs is Samsung's dual LED technology. This system combines warm and cool LED backlights to boost contrast, giving you a more balanced and natural-looking image. The implementation of this technology demonstrates Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the entry-level QLED segment, offering consumers a taste of premium features at a more accessible price point. For an entry-level QLED, colors are punchy and vibrant, especially in HDR content. The quantum dot layer ensures that reds maintain their intensity without appearing oversaturated, while greens display remarkable depth and blues exhibit a crisp, clean presentation that brings ocean scenes and sky shots to life. HDR 10+ support means you get dynamic metadata adjustments for a more refined HDR experience, though it does lack Dolby Vision, which some competitors like the Amazon Omni QLED include. This omission might disappoint some viewers, particularly those with extensive Dolby Vision content libraries from streaming services like Netflix and Disney+. Peak brightness tops out at around 417 nits in standard mode and 384 nits in filmmaker mode, which is decent, but falls short of some budget mini LED competitors like the Hisense U6N. These brightness levels provide enough punch for casual daytime viewing, though they might not deliver the eye-catching specular highlights that home theater enthusiasts crave. If you're watching in a bright room, reflections may be a slight issue, but in controlled lighting, the Q60D delivers a solid picture that will satisfy most viewers' needs. Contrast is good, but not groundbreaking. The dual LED system makes a noticeable difference in creating more nuanced transitions between light and dark scenes, though it can't quite match the precision of more expensive local dimming solutions. Black levels are respectable for a QLED panel, but they do start to look a little washed out in darker viewing conditions. However, compared to similarly priced LED TVs, it still holds its own, offering better color volume and more consistent performance across different types of content. The panel's handling of near-black details is particularly impressive for its price range, allowing viewers to distinguish subtle variations in dark scenes without crushing blacks or losing important visual information. The Q60D's screen technology represents a sweet spot for budget-conscious consumers who want to experience the benefits of quantum dot technology without breaking the bank. While it may not compete with premium QLED models in terms of absolute performance, it delivers a viewing experience that punches above its weight class, especially when considering its price point and target market. The combination of quantum dots and dual LED technology results in a versatile display that handles both SDR and HDR content with competence, making it a solid choice for everyday viewing in mixed lighting conditions. Smart TV platform and features. Moving on to the Smart TV platform, the Q60D runs on Samsung's Tizen platform, which remains one of the most user-friendly smart TV interfaces out there. Navigation is smooth, and the platform is packed with all the major streaming apps: Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, you name it. It also includes Samsung's TV Plus service, offering free live TV channels without a subscription. Tizen's multiple hubs keep things organized, from the game hub for cloud gaming to the ambient mode for displaying artwork when the TV isn't in use. And while there are plenty of picture settings to tweak, the audio options are somewhat limited, something to keep in mind if you like customizing your sound profile. For casual gamers, the Q60D gets the job done. Samsung includes its gaming hub, allowing access to cloud-based gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce Now. It also supports ALLM, which helps reduce input lag when gaming. However, there's no HDMI 2.1 support, meaning you won't get 4K 120 Hz or VRR, variable refresh rate. This won't matter much if you're primarily gaming on a Nintendo Switch or older consoles, but if you're a competitive gamer or a next-gen console owner, you might want to look at something like the TCL 6 series or Samsung's own Q70D. That said, input lag is quite good at 9.6 milliseconds, making it responsive enough for most gamers. Motion handling is decent, but due to the 60 Hz refresh rate, fast-paced sequences in sports and action games can sometimes exhibit a bit of blur. On the audio side, the Q60D comes with a basic 2.0 channel speaker system, delivering 20 watts of power. It supports Object Tracking Sound Light, OTS Light, which attempts to create a more immersive experience by adjusting the audio positioning based on what's happening on screen. Dialogue clarity is good, and positional audio effects in action scenes are decent, but bass is practically non-existent. For casual viewing, it's fine, but if you're planning to watch a lot of movies or play immersive games, adding a soundbar is highly recommended. Samsung's Q Symphony feature allows compatible Samsung soundbars to work in tandem with the TV's built-in speakers, creating a fuller soundstage. With a starting price of $479.99 for the 32-inch model and going up to $1,699.99 for the massive 85-inch version, the Q60D offers a solid balance of features and affordability. However, it faces tough competition from budget mini LED TVs like the Hisense U6N and TCL's 6 series, both of which offer superior contrast and better gaming features. For those looking for a budget-friendly QLED with great color accuracy, the Q60D is a great pick, especially when it's on sale. But if you prioritize gaming features or better contrast, it's worth checking out alternatives in the same price range. Speaking of deals, if you're looking for the best prices on the Samsung Q60D, check the links in the description box below. So, should you buy the Samsung Q60D? If you're after a well-designed, color-accurate QLED TV that doesn't break the bank, it's a solid option. The display quality is impressive for the price, and Samsung's Tizen platform makes for a smooth smart TV experience. However, its lack of Dolby Vision, limited gaming features, and mediocre built-in audio might be deal breakers for some. If you need something for competitive gaming or top-tier HDR performance, there are better options out there. But for everyday viewing, streaming, and casual gaming, the Q60D holds its own. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave us a like and subscribe for more great content like this one.